Hi guys, my name is Enrico. So let's react. No, we don't have to react now. Now I have to keep a promise about a game. So Alexander asked me to do a video about this game, and I said yes. So I promised him, and I will keep my promise. So let's go. I downloaded the game. There it is. Ouchy game. And let's see what this game is about. Let's see. Tap. Also, we have to avoid the bird. Score. Okay. Jesus, this is difficult. How can you do this? It's impossible. Oh my god. I can win. Can't. Yes! One! What? Two! Insane! No! Almost three. Zero. One. Yes, two. Three! Oh my god! Four! Five! Oh my god, five. Jesus! This is too big. Five. It seems a fun game. One. Let's go, mate. Two. Three. Ah! This is difficult. Ah, come on. Another one. One. Two. Ah, it's so difficult. One. Two. Three. Four. Five. Alright, so I want to stop here because this game is impossible, mate. But it's fun, it's a very fun game. I actually recommend it because it seems a lot of fun. Alright, so I want to we are at 3 minutes, so let's do at least 5 minutes for Alexander. Let's continue again. I don't know how I can top the 5. This game is so damn difficult. 1. 2. No! Okay. 1. 2. Ah! Again. 1. 2. Oh man. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. Oh my god, this is impossible. How can I? How can I? 5. 5 is my best. Oh, come on. It's impossible. Okay, again. 1. 2. Why? Another one. 1. 2. 3. 4. Ah! Why I did that? Man, this game is fun. It's very fun. Right, last one. Okay, not last one. Now, Jesus, why? Alright, so last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6! Oh my god. No! Alright, so let's just close here because I'm not gonna top 6. Alright, so I want to thank you, Alexander, because it was a fun game, a very nice idea. And I don't know, I kind of want to play games again. There is this game called Ouchy, and it is a very fun one. I want to try that. Maybe, I don't know. We will see. Thank you again, Alexander. I send you a hug, Alexander, and to all of you guys watching, and have a nice day.